Welcome sa isa na namang edition ng Kuya Kim Atienza vlog. Napaka-special ng vlog na to because it's my birthday vlog and we received the Silver Play Button Award. Let me start again with a Bible verse from Psalm 138. Though I walk in the midst of trouble, you preserve my life. You stretch out your hand against the wrath of my enemies, your right hand delivers me. Kailangan natin ngayon yan dahil panahon ng pandemya at napakaraming nakakatakot na bagay na nangyari sa paligid. Si Kuya Kim, hindi pangit, hindi rin naman guwapo. Sakto lang, ito po si Kuya Kim. KIMsahamnida!
Opa!
Well, my birthday was really very special because number one, I'm 54 years old already. And people say, hindi raw ako mukhang 54, mukhang 34 lang. But I started the day with a run. I did like 10 kilometers. It was a prayer run. I was praising God and worshiping Him with every step, with every breath. I even posted it on Instagram. And it was a run of prayer. And I felt so good that I was singing happy birthday to myself while I was running. So that was meaningful already.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
I went home, nag-breakfast kami ni Feli. Very sweet sa akin ang misis ko, anong breakfast namin. Pagdating ng mga alas 10, I went onto my computer and I joined the worship service of Victory, of Victory Fort. Pastor Paulo Punsalan was there and I was worshiping online and it was good. And I really was so thankful that day and so feeling so good. But I will never ever forget my lunch. Kasi Feli ordered the best sushi that ever in the Philippines and I was eating that sushi. It was my favorite. Bigla na lamang nag-volunteer si Eman. Sabi niya, Papa, I'd like to vlog because it's your birthday. Sabi ko, uy, sige. Can I borrow your GoPro? Pinahirap ko yung GoPro ko. And then she started vlogging. Sabi ko, uy, okay magaling siya.
Hi guys! Today is Papa's birthday!
Yay! Thank you, Eman.
So today we're having a special lunch with sushi. I look like a mess right now because I just woke up like 5 seconds ago. Come with me to my room. To my room, to my room. Anyways, so what my dad doesn't know is because today's his birthday and he hit 100,000 subscribers, the team B617 are gonna come over and they're gonna give him his silver play button. And so I'm just gonna distract him, but make sure I'm filming. So yeah, wish me luck. How does it feel that you're 1 year older?
Well, I'm 54. Napakasaya ko today. I'm really very happy because spending quality time with my family, with your mama, with Aliana, and with you, Eman. Although Jose's not here, but I'm so happy that the family's together. And that's all that matters. Thank you very much, Eman.
How does it feel to hit 100,000 subscribers before your birthday?
Oh, I was expecting to hit 100,000 subscribers in a year. So maraming salamat. Thank you very much for all that have been subscribing. On our road to 150,000 already. So thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Yung pala, may sorpresang iniisip ang pamilya ko.
Champagne, actually.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, Mama.
Aliana, what are your thoughts? She's very good.
At ang Team B617 ko, ang team ko sa YouTube that I will never ever forget. And it got me so emotional. Because I got my silver play button.
Wow! Surprise! Surprise! Cake!
Thank you! Akala ko swab testing. Thank you! Wow! Kaya pala nag-vlog si Emma. That's why you're vlogging. You know that there's gonna be a cake. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, these are all vlog stuff. Wow, it's not a cake. Oh, thank you. Ano ba ito? Yung mother B-boy. Ay, ba? Ay, ba, bingo? Oh my gosh, Mike! Guys, thank you. Hindi ko kayo nakilala. Nakamask kasi kayo. I thought it was a cake. Mother B-boy, thank you.
Gawin na.
Akala ko swab testing eh. Oh my gosh! Oh. It's Mike. Finally, here's a letter from you. And it's my silver play button.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Wow.
Thank you. Mother Gibbs, thank you. My team, B617, thank you. I was not expecting this. It's my silver play button. 100,000. Thank you. Sa mga YouTube subscribers ko, bago naman ako YouTube. Alam ko kung ginagawa ko eh. I'm just having fun, just providing content. And I did not expect to receive the play button. Maraming salamat. God be the glory. All for you, Lord. Thank you. At ito naman ang silver play button na natanggap ng Kuya Kim Atienza vlog. Ang size niya ay siguro 1 foot by about 10 inches, more or less. At ito ay gawa sa 92% nickel. Yung mga sinaunang silver play button ay gawa daw sa alloy, cupra-nickel alloy o kombinasyon ng copper at ng nickel at nickel coated lamang. Pero itong bago ay 92% nickel. Ito nakasulat dito yung pangalan ng channel, Kuya Kim Atienza. Dito sa baba nakasulat YouTube. Ang likuran naman niya ay merong felt at may dalawang butas, sabitan sa wall para proud na proud ka. May ilang award na binibigay ang YouTube sa kanilang mga content creators. Ang pinakaunang award, pareho nang natanggap ko ay ang Silver Creator Award para sa mga 100,000 subscribers na channel. Ang pangalawa naman ay ang Gold Creator Award. Ito'y pag umabot na sa 1 million ang subscriber. Gold-plated na ang award na matatanggap mo. Ang pangatlong award naman ang tinatawag na Diamond Creator Award. 10 million subscribers. Ito naman ay silver-plated metal with a large piece of crystal. Ang korte niya ay triangle o parang play button. Meron dalawang special na award na talagang matindi. Ito yung Custom Creator Award or Ruby Creator Award pagka umabot na sa 50 million ang subscribers mo. At ang pinakamataas na award na binibigay ng YouTube sa kanilang mga creators ay ang Red Diamond Creator Award pag umabot na sa 100 million subscribers. Tatlo pa lamang ang nakakatanggap ng Red Diamond Creator Award na merong more than 100 million subscribers. Ang pinakauna ay ang channel na T-Series, isang Indian channel ng specialty ay Bollywood music at Indian-related na kultura. Pangalawa naman, si PewDiePie, isang Swedish comedian at gamer na talaga namang hinahangaan ko rin. At ang pangatlo ay isang animation channel na pambata. Ito naman ang Cocomelon channel. Alvin, ano masasabi mo dito sa award na natanggap natin sa YouTube channel natin?
Sir, marami nang nagpa-follow sa inyo, kaya
Wala kang race! Wala ka ng race.
sasabihin ko.
Sige lang, kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan!
Ako sanay, sir.
Sige lang natin makatakin sa puso.
Okay, masaya sir dahil nakatanggap kayo ng award para sa inyo. Siyempre, boss kita kaya natutuwa ako.
Pag hindi mo ako boss, hindi ka matutuwa.
Natutuwa rin ako dahil ikaw si Kuya Kim Atienza. Idol kita, sir.
Bakit parang sip-sip ka yata?
Hindi naman, sir. Susubaybayan kita sa Matang Lawin.
Hindi naman matanglawin yan, YouTube yan.
Sa YouTube, sir.
Oh.
Ay, inabangan din kita doon, sir. Lagi. Tuwing Sabado, lumalabas yun, alas 6.
Congratulations po, sir.
Ano yan ulit?
Congrats po. Nakarami po kayo ng subscribers po.
Ilang subscribers na meron ang Kuya
100,000 plus po.
Congratulations po sir kasi nakakuha na po kayo ng silver button.
Anong ibig sabihin ng silver button?
Naka 1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers! Wala kang race!
100,000.
Okay. Cesar, anong masasabi mo dyan sa award natin?
Congratulations po, sir.
Juliet, anong masasabi mo dyan sa award na natanggap ni Kuya Kim?
Pati na sa mga nag-subscribe sa'yo na umabot na 100,000 subscribers.
Ano, 100,000 na ano?
Subscribes.
Subscribes!
Oh, subscribers.
Portalation.
Ano yun? Dahil wala si Eman, at busy nga si Eman at ginawa na niya ang trabaho niya, ikaw naman na may bagong lessons natin ngayon. Juliet, say congratulations.
Portalation.
Ano yun? Congratulations. Congratulations. Alam niyo na yan. May race ka. Say subscribers.
Subscribers. Subscribers.
1, 2, 3.
Subscribers.
Yun. Hindi subscribe. At ano naman ang masasabi mo? Ito naman sa alaga kong Mayna. Ano naman ang masasabi mo dito sa YouTube Award na natanggap ng inyong boss na si Kuya Kim?
Pangit! 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 Hello! Pangit! Pangit!
Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin ngayon. And like any other vlog, let me end it with a blessing from the book of Numbers. May God bless you, may God keep you, may God shine His face on you, may He be gracious to you, may He turn to you, may He give you and your family peace. Ito po si Kuya Kim, KIMsahamnida!
Opa!